Ooh. So we got my beef bones here boiling in the oven. We have some oxtails, short ribs, and knuckle bones, guys. Make sure you broil this on high heat, high heat. Ooh, look at that. Roasty, roasty. Smells so good, guys. This is the beef bones all roasted up on that high heat under the broiler. Why do I do this? Just so we can get some beef concentrated flavor going into our broth here, okay? Do y'all see all that grease at the bottom? Yeah. So roasting it will melt off that grease. You don't want all that extra grease in your soup. Let's go put this into our pot. Yes, guys, we are outside. Look at this big ass pot. I'm cooking a big ass pot of pho. That is why we're out here. I'm gonna take these beautiful ass broiled bones and just toss them into this nice big pot of pho broth that I got brewing here. Look at this oxtail. Looks so yummy, nice and roasty, roasty, honey. Ooh. Look at that. Y'all gotta make sure you get some color when you roast it. And you wanna throw it in hot right out of the oven so that that oil that dripped off right there stays off the bones, right? And then you're gonna come in here and add some rock sugar as well. We're gonna throw in some rock sugar. And then of course, season it with salt, MSG, whatever the hell you use, you wanna season it with. Season it with the dry ingredients first. We'll come in with the herbs and stuff later. But just make sure you get the broth going with the bones. Ooh. 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 Very important step. Once you put all the bones inside, let it simmer for a few hours. Do not stir it up because we don't want the gunky stuff to make this broth dirty, but we do want it to simmer down and get the flavors concentrated for the beef to get there and get so pronounced and so yummy, honey, like a hot tub. Radish, make sure you cut them nicely and peel them nicely. Ginger, we're gonna slice these thin and then we're gonna roast them. Just like that, and then we put them on the flame. The bottoms of your celery stalk, just like that. We'll use the leafy part too, just like that. Don't be nasty. Make sure you wash everything you're putting in that pot of pho. Do not be nasty. We'll be roasting a shit ton of onions as well. Roast your onions and your ginger on an open flame. If you do not have a gas stove, well, it sucks for you. Go to the Asian market, get a pack of pho spices like this and just roast them on your open pan. We got here cinnamon, star anise, cardamom, what is that? Some black peppercorns. Yeah. There it is, y'all. All the accoutrements, all the things we're about to put in this big ass pot of pho, okay? So this is the next day. I skimmed off all the fat and everything. What you want to do is take all of these vegetables, including the spice pack that I have, and just place it in this pot. Celery stalks, some daikon or radish. Yeah. Who likes a carrot? Carrot, carrot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Your Charizard onions. Look at the char on that. Ay, ay, ay. Ooh. And your Charmander gingers. Look at the char on that. Ooh. And don't forget your spice packet. Like a tea bag. Oh, yeah. Ooh, look at everyone enjoying that jacuzzi bathtub. We got Mr. Carrot, we got the Charizard onions, Lady Daikon. You guys, it is smelling so good right now, especially because of this spice packet right here. Oh yeah, I wish you can smell it. Let this simmer for about an hour and a half. Season a taste of fish sauce, sugar, salt, whatever you need. You'll notice when you put in the daikon and the onions especially that the broth becomes a little bit clearer. That is a very important step, so don't forget that, guys. We'll come back and make our bowl of pho. All right, guys, time to make our bowl of pho. We got our noodles here. Let's cook that noodle really quick. These things cook fast, so just in boiling water, you want to just dip it in there really quick. Then we're going to go outside to toss that hot broth in that bowl. Look at that bowl. Mmm. I like a lot of greens in mine. You see all the accoutrements in there? Yeah. Ooh, wow. Look at my big broth. It is ready. Everything is beautiful. Everything is cooking nicely. Look at that broth. We're just gonna take that hot broth and we're gonna dump it into my bowl. It's gonna cook that red meat right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, wow, look at that bowl of pho. I'm Lao, so I like mine with some fried garlic, some chili oil, look at that, and a little bit of fish sauce, honey. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. I use this brand. And that is my bowl of pho. You can add hoisin sauce, you can add sriracha if you like, but this is how I like mine. Okay, I'm gonna go eat now. Bye, get out of here. Ooh.